Hi friends, welcome back. I finally took down my patriotic decor. Towards the end of the video, you'll see that I started to unpack my fall decor. I'm really excited to decorate for fall, so the next videos will all be fall related. So I decided to do things a little bit different this time. I went to Costco and purchased some more of those black storage bins with the yellow lids. Those are my favorite. They are very sturdy. I started off by taking down all of my patriotic decor, putting that into the new storage bins before I even brought my fall bins inside. In the past, I would start by bringing in the new seasonal decor, emptying out those bins, then putting away the old decor to take out to my shed. That would create a huge mess for me since I would have 2 seasons of decor in separate sections of my house. So usually I would have the old decor on my table, the new decor in my living room, creating such a mess. I really enjoyed having those extra storage bins so my house wasn't a complete disaster.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleep. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beat from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. Looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I gave up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm just scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. I gave up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. And I'm looking for your attention. I'm looking for your attention.
I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes.
When I was bringing in my decor, I found these plates outside in my shed. I had found these at the DI at the thrift store. I really like them a lot. I especially like the bottom ones. Look at the beautiful patterns that it has on it. So now I don't know if I want to keep my brown plates that I found at HomeGoods since I already have these. I'm really not sure what to do. I've been looking for the receipt to return the brown plates to HomeGoods, but I can't remember where I left it. So I'm going to end up cleaning my room one of these days and hopefully I find it, because I would prefer to use these that I purchased at the thrift store.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you.
That's going to be all for this video, my friends. I want to thank you all so much for watching. My next video will be my kitchen fall decorate video, so come back to watch that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, besties.